Hello everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to improve your listening and understanding while I am speaking. Are you ready? Today I want to talk about learning a language. If you are watching this video, you are probably learning English, so I hope this topic is useful and interesting for you. Learning a language is difficult and you need to spend a lot of time studying. Time is the most important part of learning any language. If you don't spend enough time practicing, you will not learn English well. Learning a language always takes time. I am a language teacher, but I am also learning languages myself. I learn languages because it is fun, and I enjoy talking to people from different countries. This is one of the best parts of learning another language. You can talk to many people and make new friends from around the world. However, learning a language is not easy. Sometimes I feel sad or frustrated when I cannot understand someone. I also feel nervous when I speak another language. But that is okay. It is normal to feel sad, nervous, or frustrated when learning a new language. Sometimes I make big mistakes when I speak other languages. I make mistakes in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. But this is normal because everybody makes mistakes when they speak a new language. If you don't make mistakes, you will not improve. To improve your English, you need to make mistakes. You need to speak, practice, and enjoy the learning process. So don't worry too much about your mistakes. Try to have fun while learning English because if you don't enjoy it, learning becomes harder. Here are some tips to make learning English more fun. Number 1, read books in English that you find interesting. Don't read boring books. Choose books that you like. For example, if you like sports, read about sports in English. If you like animals, read about animals. If you like technology, read about technology. I personally like fiction, so I read fiction books in other languages. This helps me enjoy learning. Tip number 2, watch videos in English that interest you. If you like fashion, watch videos about fashion. If you like cars, watch videos about cars. It is important to watch and read things that you enjoy. Tip number 3, make friends who speak English or are learning English. I know it is not always easy to make friends, but it will help you practice your English. Try to find an English practice group in your city or online. Practicing English with friends can help you improve a lot. That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me why you are learning English. See you in the next video.